after we created a brand new project, first we delete the unnecessary things like logo and the code. So we do not need this. Instead, we are going to create a simple list of names. And then we use npm start and see the result is like this. Although when you look at this, it's just like HTML, but actually this is not HTML, this is JSX. But what is JSX? JSX allows us to write HTML elements in JavaScript and paste them in the DOM without any create element or append child method. Or let's go to Babels. First we have to copy the code from the React. And then we go to try it out. And paste it on the left hand side. And as you can see, this is the generated JavaScript. What it means is, if we do not use JSX, we have to write this kind of code in order to do the same things. So let's copy this code and paste it in our project. And as you can see, we can get the same result. However, no one wants to use this difficult way to do the same thing. And this is why we need the JSX.